Little girl, every time I have to fix up your uniform for you. You can't help yourself, girl. You're a big girl, you know. Every time I have to fix this uniform, yeah. Girl, you're big now, you're big enough. You're 14-year-old. If you take up your bag too. Stop for make me have to fix up your uniform. You done with basic school now, high school, you go. And we have to make up your face off. Take all that off your head to go to school this morning. And set your face good, that me say, girl. Put on your shoes and go on now. So how your bag have some more things in it?
Me have whole heap of practical and PE today.
You know, so I not trust a little girl, but you have practical and PE where you want to be. So anyway, just go on to school. And when you come from school, you show me you write in your book. I not trust you, you know. Because this is nowadays speaking like a uno. Uno go on like so, now a big woman trying start grow breasts and start have hair. And I know harm and your part. You understand what me I say, little girl? So you see like you know. Just give me attitude, girl. Me say if you talk, give me attitude. And me and mother, me a chat to you, me a learn you. And if you take time go on to school, because if you think you're breeding a family, little girl.
But you even have no boyfriend yet.
Make sure. You better make sure so you don't have no man. You hear me say? And when me a big woman, me breed and have you, me no breed out of school. So don't breed in ya. No care no. If I ever see you a spit or a vomit, girl, Lord, may God help your soul. And if I ever see you on your phone, me buy you one phone, you know. Me buy you one phone to call me, you know. Anything happen to you at school, you call me, you know, or call your pa. You hear me say? So, me no want to see you. Hi, baby, I love you. I'm gonna come later. I will mash you up. And me will take it from you too. Take time go on before it late. And make sure so you come back from school early this evening. You hear me tell you? Answer me, little girl. Me a chat to you.
Yes, mommy.
Yo, we can't really believe say I saw you going out here like a hooligan in a place. So yeah, you talk to your little girl, so like, yo, what do you? Yo, you move so. Yeah, oh, you're out here chat so loud like you want to hold this sick here, say you
shut your mouth. So. Shut your mouth. Because every time I talk to you, little girl, I have a problem with you. Broke her bad. And it make sure go on, so me I talk to her, she look for me and give me dirty looks. So when you come out here, come talk, but you know like how me I talk to her. Like say, me did that.
Yo.
Me that bark all time like a dog. Eh?
Me
you
not
don't want me
say
talk
what
to
you are saying or writing about the tone and the way you're saying it and not brawling out yourself and going yourself like you want a neighbor, them and them people if you hear what.
Nobody now hear me I say. And nobody never hear me say. Me just the right here so stop and talk to her and I tell her say work she go to school and take in her education. And hope she not have no man.
But sometimes you hold on your voice. You see you? You say you're going like you want to calm me down and bully me and do. Where you get them style from? Eh? You love going like
nobody know
so
call
aggressive and so. Calm down yourself, little woman. You did the pick me a while ago. I mean, they put on close to that. You go and have to really come out and come page you.
I'm stressed because every time you go to work and when you come in at night and you tell me how you're tired and more look time and you're not giving me no time. That you do I sit there work, you go now. What me I go do now?
Yo, me tell you this, man. I work fit, put food in the fridge, and fi make you and my daughter happy. Yo, I really feel feeling man, because every week and every month you forget sort out. You don't know, man, I work hard, I'm man tired, you know, you. Right now, I double me, I got do in idea, you know. Oh, so you better know that. Cut me, I cut, you know, because like double me, I got do today, too.
So like how you go cut and you not see it till weekend. You can't give me your money.
Just like give you money.
Yes.
I'm done buy grocery, $20,000 out of grocery and vegetable and in the fridge and everything.
So before me no want nothing more there in the fridge around this, so I want to go buy something on the road.
Yo, I'm telling you, everything there in the fridge around this, so you. Anything you want there in the fridge. Yo, look, come on, I'm in there chatting with you. Yo, we are there, sir.
Brother, how are you? What do you say?
Boy, you know, say upon the walk, me I don't know me if I try to reach upon the walk and guess what double me I gonna do today. So you see, come look for your sister and your niece.
Bro, here I go. It's because get like a busy work and I get so complicated. You know what I mean? And then for my moms, I take extra time for me and all these things. You know, a woman them steady.
Yeah,
You have to work and put in the work and that. Yo, here what? Tell my niece, say, me I come check her. And tell my sister, say, at the end of the month, you see me can't even help her. Come on, what you think already?
Yeah, man, can't me I send my daughter to school and I take my best and don't know security more while me I tell her say more while me I drop asleep on the walk.
Yeah, man, you always say we can't go for
But
trouble.
that's so good, you know?
Yeah, bro. What you are do? We are keep it. We are hold it. Angle bangle. Yes, sir. A taxi, look.
You know, say, boss me a look, I'm over here where me I go.
Bobby, where you go? Yeah, because you know, a Spangles me I go, you know.
Alright, let's see how it
Yeah, man, angle bangle. Yes, sir.
boss them.
Cool.
Sure, say, everything good.
Yeah, everything good. As me tell her already, say man gonna work and gonna do double shift. He nah no come back for now. And the little girl, she gonna school. She not come in till later. So you can do what you want to do till ready.
Watch out, man. I must have a big old place around this, you know, man. So I don't even want to spend no time around this, you know. You see me? But I try you link me still make me even forward, you know.
You mean, man?
You see me? Cause
So you say you're going with you now?
Eh?
You say you're going with you now? Ready?
Me I go on the net. What you call me running for?
Asleep, you asleep. I say you're tired. Why? Me I tell you, so me never know say so you did nice. Me I tell you, so you know. You make me feel good, you know. Boy, if my baby father now make me feel so. Kawa. A beer put him and put me off. Beer put him and put me off. Every time I go working, come back in the night, I'm tired and go sleep. You make me feel good.
So like how me make you feel good. So make me feel good too, because right now, no gas in the car, you know. Right now, you're on E.
You know, this morning, me I tell him say I want the money, you know. And I go tell me how him buy grocery for house and one bag of something. Not give me no money, but anyway, me I try see if me can get the money.
See, I mean, to tell me, say you call me off our road for them and say, yeah. Listen to me, no man, I can't do that. Remember saying, no man, each time I drive, you know, I gas a bunny, you know. You see me?
I know that, man. I know that. I tell me, say, man, them no must know so every time you drive gas a bun.
So, oh, you can't. So, oh.
Me go make you get something. No right now because I don't have it right now.
See, me, if you tell me, say, me do all that, I'm not even
Stop,
gas.
stop it nice. You go on like saying you're nice, yo.
See, me, if you tell me, say, me risk it for the biscuit and come around here, so. Your man can't even pop up anytime and you make me come
That
around.
them man then now come back till certain time and then me say man gonna do double shift.
You don't know if you chop a line. Your man give you $10,000, you stay some bombs and you take out 8 and carry count him.
I know if you chop a line now, but I'm just anxious saying I want to give me no money this morning. That's a problem.
That's why if you ensure then if you put in your head, tell him say if him not give you nothing, you can't give him nothing.
Boy,
If him not give you nothing,
he don't want to give me nothing, you know. That's why I have to call you.
but if him not give you nothing, you can't call me because you don't have nothing to give me.
I don't mean that the way they, that way.
So no man, a month time and I'll be able to.
Yo! Yo, so them thing I go on with them time man, they pan double and I work on night time.
When you come back here for you see a double shift you gonna do. But
Double
that
shift?
dirty man like you man. So watch me, so now watch you.
Yo,
Mama
now
man.
you live. Eh?
Watch out,
I don't want that.
leave it to one alone. Just leave it to one.
Yeah, me I say, no, go man. Carry her with you when you
No,
go.
no,
Carry her
man.
with you. You have to go left me plate.
No man.
Yo, me leave my body in no war.
There's no need for this, my boss. She good man. I just
Yo,
something.
you see you? No, don't left far.
You
Yo.
go scoop now. Look at more.
Remember saying, you think them over right
Just
this
one
fire.
step
Just take
it,
your
me
thing
give
them
you.
and go.
Boy,
Yo, me
you
not
dirty man, I'm not like you. Hey, you think me I come out? Me nah come out.
Yo, me I tell you, say you have to go left the place. It means say me I work so hard at night time, and you really bring money in our place, Shana.
So what you do ya?
What you mean by what me I do then? You me live, and you
You
bring
better
money.
take pint up here and me face. Lick
Yo,
me, you
see your
idiot.
thing them here. See your sitting them here. Yo, take your sitting them. Take your sitting them, yo.
You never tell me say you're gonna do double shift and you come
Yo,
back.
hold them here, man. Hold them here. Go on, come out of my place, man. Come out.
Leave me
Go on
alone.
with him, man. Go on.
Me nah left. I'm
Come
matter of
on.
fact, me a common law wife.
Can't believe it, yo. I work so hard and then I stress out myself. And I can't believe say you bring money in my place, Shana. Yo, look how long me there about bothers work and I just come home because my belly hurt me, you know, I say my belly hurt and I come home and catch you with man, Shana. Shana, you disappoint me, you diss me out.
A matter of fact, me nah left Brianna and me a carry her with me, so no, me
Yo.
not busy what you want to say.
Yo,
So
Shana, but you hear me I work with girl. I can't believe you do me this in a youth.
The
You
man
a
didn't
kill
even
me
do
for kill you
nothing.
and the man in a
The
youth.
man didn't even do nothing. The
What
man
you
just
mean?
come in the house and they talk with me. He didn't even do nothing. Me, I'm not do nothing. So stop call up me.
Yo, Shana, please, me I beg you. If you're a peaceful sake, you know, better you go on. Me and you now go make it out. You bring man for me and style me when me there. Suppose belly never run and I say me I come back. Come catch you red-handed with man.
You
Look
see
for
you?
you,
You
tell
see
you know.
you watch, woman. You look a dirty man. And you can't tell me if you come out of your house.
Yo, me say if I never one thing,
Lick
I
me with
broke me if you broke up your hand, man.
Burn me up. Cause me got station if you broke me up.
I'm working. Yo, show me how to take care
Me
of me.
want you lick me cause you got prison. You look a dirty
Yo,
man.
it's if I never one thing, yo.
She make you a crab.
Yo, it's if I never one thing.
Dirty boy.
Yeah,
Like
I
him, not
broke
like
me,
him.
should I broke up him, man, you know. I me should have just give him one lick in the head and
You should have
mash
lick
you.
him
I
and
show me
you
not
see what
beat
you
you, man.
get. You should have lick him and you see
Yo.
what you get. And me, I go take Brianna.
Bring back them, yo.
So where
Yo,
so
go
where
on
you
in
go
a
do
man.
that? Where you go do about that?
When Brianna come from school, you come for you. Bust me for you, bust up all in the head too, you know, boy. You come with man in my play.
Bust
Can't
up
believe
my
you
head.
get a really big man in them. Yo, me go over, yo.
Where your mama man? Where mama man?
Yo,
Dirty
yo,
boy.
It's alright, man. What goes around comes around. Remember that.
Mommy, where we are go?
Look a girl, stop asking me question, ask me where you go. No ask me no question again. Let me tell you.
Me tell
Come
you
on.
I want go and
Come on. Put it back on your back.
Oh, baby, go home now.
Me and you go up a Martin, so stop asking me question. Martin. Let me know what happen. You know, come down me auntie there and my man come catch me in the house and my man show me out so I come to come stay me and my daughter in your yard.
So how if you manage make him man show you out? And you, me tell it, me did it and me tell yourself you're common law wife. You can't make him man, you're that man there for much years. And you have big old picnic with him. I want like one room this, you know. When she come in now, when me go privacy, me can't even come out and say come do nothing with me here again. Eh?
Martin, we have to go figure out something, you know. Because me just have a good time a while ago. You know what more? I can't move so Martin. I'm going like you never love you. Stop laugh, man, because you love you. Sweet, you ain't?
Yes, sir. Alright, here. Just remember, say it's a one room. So we have to go probably either make up bed or ground because I can't get my bed for make no little picnic coming on my bed. No little picnic now coming on my bed, you know. You hear me say?
It's alright, yeah,
So-
man, yeah, man.
So
Me hear what you
just come. And we make up one bed. Just come up and then we figure it out and we make up bed and just stay.
Then, mommy, I grown me really go sleep on. Your daddy left.
say. Little girl, stop question me. Don't ask me no more question. You're a child. You hear me say? You're a child. Don't ask me any more question again. Now, come on. Come on, man.
Sleep on.
Go on in front of me. Don't ask me no more question. If you have manners.
No, I go. Little girl, you know say you're not supposed to come in and sleep on the bed. Eh? I want slippers in my bed, one silk sheet here. Little girl, get up off from bed, man. Get up, the girl, you have to sit down on me. Shana, deal with that picnic, man. Now, I'm on my laptop, you don't know say you have to
Little
touch my
girl, you know,
laptop.
say you have to go up on the man bed. You tell us you not go up on the bed all the way. I mean, I talk to you, but time I have to talk to you, little girl. Brianna, what do you, Brianna? You know, no yes, what, Brianna? Me talk to you, I cannot hear, girl. You know what? Come go on out the door, because I want some time for me and Martin. Go out the door, Brianna.
Mommy, son hot.
Little picnic in your man, I say, go along out the door.
Go outside till me call you. Martin, you know something sorry about that a while ago what happened?
Shana, listen, I didn't even bother feel like one in a man. But that's true, me take a Dr. Jack pill them in a man, make me that really.
Calm down now, Martin. Now I can't move so. Not that Martin, man.
You see you, you see you.
Stop that. Go on, so.
Landed. Oh, yeah, there's some data. Yeah, sitting inside.
You know, I say, mummy up at the room, man, in big head, man. So, she said me for come out here say, because she want her privacy.
Oh, yeah, said to me. So she put you out there and have man in her house up there?
And daddy, at night time, you know, mommy make me sleep on the floor. And man in her bed.
So hold on, and you just tell me that? Yo, can't believe what I'm going. Yeah, hear me? You know, say if I never want thing, I'm going to go kick off the door and go out to go pay John. But me don't even bother do that. Here, me want you do my daughter, big woman thing, see? It's when you get a chance, put some clothes in a bag and head feed down on my yard. You know the way already. You understand me? I say, and they make them know, say, yeah, just take some things and come in my yard. The room down there, wait. What's that sleep on the floor? Oh, how much money me spend? Yo, you hear me? Even when I'm chatting, just do what I say and come. Give me a page, you see me?
Alright,
You
daddy.
see, already, you're good differently. Alright, my daughter. You link it.
Alright.
Yo, let me pick me asleep. Yo, watch out. Yo, wait.
Oh, no, Annabella, them, man. Sure. Annabella, not reach her yet. Annabella!
Yo.
Wow, General.
You can't believe it, yo. Yo.
Yo, you good, man? Where see you going with?
Yo, brother, I feel take bad things like laughing. I'm glad to see you now. Yeah, because, yo, seriously. Yo, you know you find your sister?
Brother, you are going. Before you even go there, so you know what I say? I wish them say to myself, so I have to take some time off. Come here, come visit you and thing. And you know what I mean? Because I want to see my niece, you know.
Visit
What you mean? How I going?
Go on talk, man. Me area.
Come here, I said to myself, say, yo, me have to come go and check because a long time I don't even go see my sister. I hear from her, know what I go on. But at the end of the day, to me, me no love, you know, like pressure. I'm on building a little thing and, and all these things.
Brother, your sister left bad man.
What you tell me, sir, brother?
That me I tell you. Me and her left bad man.
What you tell me, right? Tell me say a joke, yeah, man.
Brother, they are work. See, never, there's a man ever work, brother. See, that's security. You know, say, girl, fine man, I'm bringing man for me, bad man.
My
Get
sister.
her redundant in our place.
Me bumpers. My sister.
I need all that right now, brother. Come rate you, girl. You see how me deal with her, you know, you, because I love her, I love my daughter, brother. I have my daughter sleep on ground and them thing, the bad man, and one bag of things she a man dip on bed and them thing, brother.
No, man. Sleep on which ground? Ground? My nickel niece? You know, so something wrong with her, in time I don't really check her cause, yo, I'm a little sister, you know. But at the end of the day, sometimes, what I mean, I tell her to post it. Yo, I see him number, chef.
Brother, I'm not even know. You hear me, I say, see? Boy, man, yo, right now, one thing doing, you know, say, your sister, I love her, you know, brother. Right now, brother, I love her. Boy, you got pay jar, you know. Give her a, yo, brother, pay jar for me. Do more, baby. That's, so if I can't talk some sense in her head. So I just want to share my daughter for us good. That's how me I work, brother, every day. Me, people I want to say, if I not no clothes and anything, they got every day. Me, yo, brother, I love her, brother.
Yeah.
Pay jar, right now, I'm virgin, me go check up the road and I'm glad me see her, brother, we just release some attention.
Yeah, because sometimes that's how we need, you know, somebody to talk to and reason with. You know what I mean? Okay, you know, so I genuinely care for my phone union. You know what I mean? Because I'm a little sister still, but at the end of the day, this is not right. You can't write.
Judge.
You understand what I say? But how long is that going to?
Brother,
How long now?
months it a go on, bad man.
Pants, yo. A good thing, Annabelle no come out to post. Alright, here we go. See? Because the best thing I can tell you, so me I go do right now, is me I go hold a talk with her. Come here for see what I go on for real. Come here for real see if right now, me don't want something to believe, you know. But based on what I say, me have to go see for myself.
Brother.
To go see what I go on. Which place does she live?
Yo, she live down a scheme, daddy, down a big house. down upon the skin, one orange and the upstairs, brother. You see me?
Upstairs, down on the like a place for this.
Yeah, cause I'm good down there. You see me? Cause guess what? Me hear about the thing, brother. I forgot paid me there. I'm go down there. My daughter tell me say, yo, babe, she not happy. You see me? She not happy cause a girl have man and babe bag of thing and she not even do good in her school work. And yeah, me I say,
No, man. Yo, make it. Alright, here we go. Me go pay jam.
yeah,
make a page.
page jar.
Because here me go do know. Me go hold her fresh. Cause right now I'm glad that Annabelle and them forward. Cause I want to business to start yes. But here we go now. Me go pay jar.
Yeah.
And me go make sure say me hear the full story and hear what she say. You understand me? I say, cause I still believe what I go on.
More I do. Cause right now I head now move right. See me?
Yo, nobody go do nothing crazy, you know.
Me nah do
See?
crazy though.
Say, alright, my boy, take care of yourself.
Love
Me
my
go-
family in a bad man.
Right,
I split up with my family.
Alright, my boss, cool.
Big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man, cool. Alright, my boss.
Hello? Daddy, you know, say, but if on my way, I go school, but I pack up some clothes in my bag, so what I would I do, I would left from school when school over and come down there. Alright.
Brianna. Brianna. Bushkash.
Yo, yeah, I did it. How you want? Where coming from now? Yo, hear me I say, man. You don't know, say, yo, me I go over the school for the link car and matter me say, yo, I can't go in there. You see me? So, I just make she know so she will just come down on my yard. And right now, I so she there. You see me? Yeah, man.
Oh, Brianna fit. Oh, you fit take Brianna and I yes, so Brianna live with me. And me response here, you know. Some of know how comes they do that.
Yo, hear me I say, see? Cause you move like say I'm a film pitney to you and you're going like say I'm a my pitney and she can't dare too. Yo, remember say she have her end just so you know youth and she have her room same way. You see me? So you have to understand say yo, her father this and from him from me say yo ropes. She have to just know say I eat, you see me?
Well, if you don't yard, alright then, no problem. That good.
Yeah man, that good like straight up in Hollywood, you see me? So now go by yourself man. Yo,
Alright
you
then.
have
Just
to-
want to know so she good enough. That me said to you a while ago.
Yeah man, worry about for yourself man, you see me? Yeah.
Alright.
You one there. Sis. Yeah, man, brother, man. Come down now. Come down, see me there gate, man. Me just talk to you about like, man. How long it take me to take? Me just go to bathroom while and say me I just forward fast. Or pan come, man. Me downstairs right now. Yeah.
What happened now, my brother? To come up here.
Let me tell you this. It's not what happened now. You have to tell me what going on. And you have to set this thing straight. See? Alright. For your baby father, my brethren, come show me her vibes. And see vibes then show me shame if you know say you're my sister. And you know grow so.
I'm a vibe.
What you mean some kind of, you listen to me I said to you?
Me a listen.
But you listen then, where's with your mouth to your ears?
Me
Hmm?
ears.
So do that then now. Or because you left out your house and you feel like I'm me a bigger brother, you know. I don't even know that. I don't think you understand that part. But anyway, Theo, baby father, tell me, say, the circumstance we have my niece. Jesus Christ, man. My niece asleep on floor. Me understand, say, you're big head man. Provide and everything, and it's like you're more concerned about your big head man and what he might do for you And not what your niece, what your pick
You
me.
know, say, come here, come to stress out me, brother.
Stress out?
You know, say I get
Stress
part of my
out?
nerve, yeah, my baby father. Why? You don't leave me alone. You know,
If you
like,
leave
you
you
don't
alone?
from me pen now. You depend me too long,
Don't hop off of your donkey. What me hop off of you? Eh?
You
Me
dey
tell.
got me back, you know, say stab me and back. All the man there.
Mm-mm.
You know, when me go breed feel like a bad breed man find out
Alright.
kind of thing. If me did no more breed feel, God no, me never find out nothing about this like a dirty bad breed man, you know. I know him a come can you steal. Eh?
You done? You finish? Eh? At this a place I frighten you. So you put man over feminist. Hmm? You starting chain on your neck, a barren barret, you know? What if you know that? A barren barret chain and a top dog.
Are you make
Eh?
him borrow it because are you and him they go borrow it. You and him, and you
Just
go
give you
talk about say me
information.
put man over my picnic.
Just give you information. More if you know what going on. You see your knees where you let out of your belly, woman, as a woman, as a mother, out of your womb. No make
Me
no.
not do nothing bad to
Listen
my
me,
picnic,
listen
so
me, I
stop
say.
talk, go
He
shit
make
your
your
shit.
my shit long time. But what you need to do is fix your shit. Cause you can't make feminists sleep on floor.
You
And
know
that
what?
if you know.
You know what? You
Mm.
left out of me yard now.
I
You're
know
my
for your
brother.
yard.
You're my
I
brother.
know for your
Me no
yard.
business. I am
I
me live
catch your
now.
catch.
I am me
I
live
know
now.
for
Me
your
no catch.
yard.
Me remember say me have me
You
look
really
out
piece
now.
of your yard?
Remember say me have me look out now. Me say me just go and
You
build
better
with
you
me
go
man.
work at your board house.
Me
Eh?
just go and build with me man.
Build with your man?
Back of me yard.
You come like you don't know what kind of man that.
Tap
Eh?
me nice,
Something wrong with
brother.
you? Tap me nice.
You really come here
Remember,
and
I want it.
disrespect me baby father. You see me baby father, me I go lick him down.
Your baby
Yo,
father?
right now, you see me baby father, destruction in my life. You say man, I can't be him up and down in Wall Street.
So wait. Hold on. You realize my hands up in the air, wait for if you don't talk, cause you talk foolishness. Me clap off your rubbish. A rubbish shot your knees. Your female knees come first. For your fitness supposed to come first. As a mother,
Me never say me pit no
the
come first.
strength
No.
of a woman
But
is determined from her struggles, what she go through with her picnic. Yo, go for yourself.
and you feel go for yourself to come back here, you dirty brother, you backstabber, you me baby father. Stab me in my back. Come on.
Mommy,
Little girl, try not tell no lie for me, you know. Don't tell no lie for me, little girl. Every time you practice life, you tell lie for me and me man, eh? Me take you and put you on the floor, girl.
but that's true, mommy. When the big head man come, you take me off of the bed and put up on the floor and him gonna sleep on the bed.
And you know another thing again, you know why me come for you? Me hear your father down there touch you up and me need you to
My
come out.
father not touch me.
Yes,
A
that
lie.
me hear. Me hear man, they not supposed to give me no attitude, you know. Come on, girl. You like your back and see me on the road. You go down with me today, yeah. Oh, me go, girl.
Good evening, bossy. How long you out some boss? Got me look at that and me I look fine. How long me dey wait and me no see she come home. You know one little girl dey out so.
Yeah, man, it's a possibility, man, because I saw one little girl, it's not just like she wait for a bus and one lady walk up and did a man and glare.
Really?
So, yeah, so it's a possibility that maybe her mother.
You know say me look at that, me just feel see she daddy. Come me there me had me wonder, oh me no see her come home.
She have braid and thing, not true?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, she, man.
No say me go call him. No. Respect my boss, respect. See? Yo, Shana! Yo! Yo, Shana! Yo!
How would that there call me? How would the money are there, man? Before my man did there, eh? Before my man did there and feast me and you there.
I mean what me I do ya? Where you gone up so gonna take away little girl out of school for? Eh? And you going like say, yo, you talk about me, what me I do ya and them thing there. You know remember say you used to bring man down for my place. You know remember that? You used to bring man down my place, so no, nothing if me come here. So yo, where my daughter there by the way? Eh?
He up there, I wash up plate. And that me I tell you. You come talk about where your daughter there. After people have your chat how you down there, touch her up.
Yo, you know, say you're definitely in a youth. Yo, who tell you them the story there, eh? What kind of story you can make up? You can put man in a trouble here now, eh?
Nobody now put anyone in trouble where people have out the road that chat, say.
Eh?
People
Young
are
people
still
can't
on
stay
the
there.
street. Me and people can't stay there. And somebody call me on my phone and say, me come to me daughter, and me come to me daughter.
Look like me and you have to go court go work out this thing. Me done talk to you already and tell you say, yo, me not like the idea say you and your man in a room and my daughter sleep on the floor. What kind of style that, eh? That style is not good style in a youth.
You did it when me I get too much stitches, about 5 stitches the doctor give me. You did
Me
it
ask
there?
you something.
Eh? And
You
when me
can't
just
breathe
beat
yourself.
on the wall, I beat on the wall when the pain I lick me down there. Move
Pain.
in front of me, move in front
You
of me.
can't breathe yourself. I'm going to allow you. For now. Because courthouse me here go. Me want me picnic to it. That me I tell the youth. Yo, big man. Yo, I want to give you a talk, you know. Yo, hold on there, man. I want to give you a talk, you know, bad
What
man.
mean you want to give me a talk? Give me
Yeah,
a talk
mean.
for?
Yo, man, just take with my woman, so you're up there with my woman. Seeing, me pick me up there asleep and grown. Brother, you not have no heart. See me there, I walk upon me walk, brother, and I tell you, I'm stress out, bad man. Brother, yo, more you stop the way you're doing, youth.
Yeah.
What goes around, comes around, you know.
You don't talk? Hear me, I say, so what you want me to do? Me see the girl, she tell me she don't have nobody. Zin? She tell me she don't have nobody, you know. And me stay some Bamson, and she say, she a come up at me yard. What you want me to do? She come up there with the pitney. What you want me to do? Make a girl steep out the door?
Brother,
Eh?
I don't want to make my picnic asleep and grown. You're a man like me.
So what you want me to do? You
You
know say,
talk to her until I say, yo, get
Brother.
that bed for you, picnic.
Brother.
And my daughter, I love her, I can't make sure
Listen to
sleep
me
on
now,
the
listen to me now.
Yo.
You want she fi lay down in the middle of when time me and her mother asleep on the bed, brother. Act like you're a man and stop act like you're
Brother,
youth, brother.
remember say me catch you in my yard, me could have chop you up and do you anything. Remember, yo, I'm calling on my bike bridging right now.
Call on
Yo,
which
me
bike
feel-
bridging?
Yo, hey, yo, remember say, it's alright, yo. Good, yo, everything good, man, everything good,
No boy, think you can't diss me,
Yo,
you. No what you're
everything
doing.
good, man, yeah.
Remember say you can't diss me, you know. Remember say me know where you walk, you hear that? Fool. Try that shit again. Try that shit again. And say me now come.
Yo, man, I wish you come up here, come and bother me. Yo, where you there, Richard? From when me call you bad man for come. Yo, brother, if you're dead, me there dead bad man, you wouldn't even reach it, bad man. Come link me, dog, me there my workplace right, so man just come attack me from my workplace, bad man. Yo, hurry up and come, bad man. I tell you, yo.
Shana. I never sign up for this, you know.
What you talk about? You know, see the place tidy up and me wash your clothes, then me tidy up the bathroom, me wash up the plate, them and do everything. Clean out the house. So what you talk about? Should me
Shana.
lie down?
Shana. I pass up the road a while ago, you know. And you little idiot baby father. Come go on like saying you want to come style me. And you little fool. I come hold on, we do a little old knife, one little knife, one of them little Rambo knife there. Like he feel like some afraid of him. You don't know say me make boy mash up in your face, boy.
So what happened? What really happened? Let me know what really happened. Because me can't bother the problem.
The man a come tell me say me having pitney down here, I sleep on ground. Like I me having pitney here? I me having pitney? Eh? Me have pitney and sleep on ground. What you want me do? Why you want the pitney do? Come sleep side of me and you? Eh? If what you get that the pitney they can't take you know?
Boy, me can't bother with the problem, you know. Me head a hurt me. What do it to you, man? You can't live good, what do you know?
Shana, hear me I say. You see me the day I saw all along peaceful, I live my life. As soon as I come, I be a problem, a little boy feel like he can't style me. No boy can't style me, you know. So me don't want him feel like say yo.
Alright, babes, calm down. Me a talk to him. Because I don't want him come mash up my relationship, you know. Me I talk to him. Top get so hungry, man.
Listen to me. Fix this. You see? Just fix this. Because
You call him and talk to him. Remember, some baby father, me have his number. So me I call him and talk to him. Just calm down yourself.
listen, it better you go down there go talk to him. Nobody call him because I don't want him here, you know. Because if he ever feel like saying he can come back up to you and come look for him, you know. A problem, you know. So it better you go down there go talk to him.
Alright then, me I go down there go talk to him and just tell him say when he see you, he feel love you.
Go and go
Me
talk
go
to him
talk
now
to him.
because hear me I tell them man if say listen, me just don't want to go through this again,
You
Shana.
go talk to him and you just calm down yourself. Like me tell you to calm down yourself. What do you?
So what you there, sir? Do Shana go on now, man. Sure.
Me
Because you
say
look
me a
at
go
dirty
on.
poop up, pitney poop up feel like saying.
My youth, me a go on. What do you?
Hey Simone. Yeah, go on there. You know, so me just there think about it. Just think about all them nice things the way we used to go on with. You can't go and hit me an idea. Yeah, right now. Yeah, man, hurry up, man. There, man. Just call me when I reach. Alright.
Yo, what you do down here, so?
What you mean so me a do them so? Yes, me man and I fight off me man for. Me ain't a left. Where you watch me for? Me no want you watch me, you know. Stop watch me, you must come like a some mama, man.
Yeah, I'm tell you this, man. It's what your man do. Eh? A big thing him put himself in. You understand me? I say, I'm a daughter thing me I defend. See? And you and him up there, I treat my daughter and I make her sleep on floor and them thing. That, yo, think me I say nothing, just hold
Me
on.
say
Wait
fi
till me
love me
catch
man, love me man alone and if you work hard, you do your work, brother, and love him, man. You see man a fight off him, man. You just torment, man, you
you. And go, yeah,
destruction,
watch
you.
it from your to
Me
man.
not
Yeah,
watch it,
yeah,
no.
point up in my face too.
Are
Cause
you
it's where your man just do a while ago. Yo, yeah, me know where you're
idiot,
talking.
yeah, man,
I'm
where you come
mad
from,
now
man?
to you, know, man. Yeah, man, you left on your side, the bag of nice, man. Tell me, I tell you, yeah.
Hear me I tell you, say, that little chum change where you give me for Brianna, better double it up.
Chum
More and
change.
more money. And that me I tell you, you can go on like after they
No more
fight off
money.
me, man. You better know that.
Take my
Cause me a
daughter and take care of myself.
take your
Yeah,
daughter
your
and
man
take...
up there, 2 hours going like, yeah, matter of fact, some boss a come. Yeah, go on, man, boss a come. Yeah,
That
go
a fear
on,
your
where you
boss
go,
good
man.
luck. Me just want more money for Brianna. That me I tell you,
Yo,
you just stop
come
chat.
from work, come on.
Lock chat and give me
Ain't
more
no
money when you get
argument, man.
money.
Yo, go on, man.
That me I tell you.
Go on.
Go down where you go,
Come
you
up here, my
idiot. You
workplace, I come and
fight
bother
off
me
him, man.
fine,
For
you.
woman. For woman, I'm left you. Me left you and that's why me not turn with you, you know.
No, I'm not even
But I
in
make
no
sure I come back
argument.
next
You're
time I
good,
get
man.
more money for Brianna. I tell her that.
Good, man. You see it?
Well, I'm glad I understand the mission. You don't have to worry about. Shana.
Martin, how are really going in here, so?
Shana, come here. Come somewhere right here so we can talk. Come over somewhere. Come sit down here, son. Alright. This is Jessica. Jessica. Shana. Shana, you ever heard of the word polygamy before? I know you're bigger than you still, but you ever heard of a such word?
What is that? Is that liquor?
No. See? It's not a liquor. I understand that this is probably new to you, but me and Jessica did a talk about it. Say, you know, she can join us in her bedroom.
Yeah, I feel clean up my ears, cause think me I where I said properly. Clean out, yeah. Yes, man.
I'm saying Jessica is gonna come in the room and she's gonna help us spice up things a bit. You see? That means that it three we are gonna sleep at night time and it one will get to know each other and we are gonna try and make it work. You understand?
What you mean? Chase some?
Well, if that's the terminology you wanna use, yes.
Well, me no in that, you know. Me no in your dirty style where you up to right now with the cheese some argument. No, cause me never go to them the same thing they yet. And me did there with me good security man. And me let me good security man come to you. And you come put them as me to me, man never put them as me to me yet. Never!
Your man ever make a sleep and still cheated?
No. Me man never make me sleep on sick sheet yet.
Exactly. So why you can't just why you make a big deal out of it? Eh?
You know, say you come to me with too much foolishness and you say man never come to me with them foolishness that you come to me with right now. It look like me swap black dog for monkey.
Them me look like a monkey to you? Look at Jessica. Isn't she a nice girl? Eh?
Nothing wrong with threesome. You can try something nice and spice up the relationship. Nothing wrong with it.
Uno right, you know. Uno right. And everything glitter a gold. That me I tell you. You know what? Me will take me pitney and take with myself and go back down on my baby father and ask him to forgive me.
Well,
Uno right.
might as well.
And everything will glitter a gold. Me did think you did a gold, but you is not a gold.
Well, go along back down your full coop, your man and your pitney.
Go on, dirty man.
Nothing wrong.
Jessica don't mind she, you see? More for me.
Nothing wrong. We can continue.
Eh?
Yo, brother, where you see at me now?
Where they from when? Me they are wait for you. Say you way back there. Man ride bicycle come bad man. Suppose was anything and man come and attack me. Shana man come attack me for me work bad man. Right yes so bad man. A good thing my boss Dave need come. Yet bad man.
Yo, bro, you know say I punch your bike, punch you, that's why I ride the bicycle. But you walk one. Where you say Shana man rush your brother?
So me there for me walk and me see the dog a pass.
Hold on. Hello? Yeah, man, morning.
Yeah, you try to call for the place.
Me I go down there today. Because yesterday me fan feel sick, so I don't left me here. Tomorrow, look, when me done, I go down there today.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Mm-hmm. All right. All right. So as I said, brother, punch your bike, punch it, that's why I ride the bicycle. But yo, where you say Shana man rush your brother?
So me there for me walk brother and see daddy and say me I give him a one page ask him about me look at that brother. And the man attack me bad man, fling me down a gun and I kick me up and I do my band bag of thing. Brother, that's why I call if I say if I could have ride come with one big knife or something for come defend me daddy.
Yeah man, me and Shana, me a virgin, but me and Shana a friend too. So me don't even want to get involved in that, brother.
Sure,
if I went sitting else, I would fully defend the brother. I would rise a machine and call link you.
Tell her brother. Yo, in time I see Shana do you know, again you know, and I'm man again. You know, say me I just tell him some want me pick me. That I go on.
Why, yeah?
Everything good still.
Yo, anything we do, just do the best thing for youth, you know. Cause
Yeah, man.
if you say youth asleep on the floor, that wrong, you
Yeah.
know. She just supposed to do
Tell her
that. If you see her, I talk to her about that too, cause that wrong.
Want
You
my
see me?
daughter be happy. You see me? Want she be a good woman happy and Shana and man are going like them I hate that brother. I allow them to time still. They want to worry
Yo,
myself.
just
They
one
up and
hold
up,
him, man. Just
Alright.
one hold him. If I nothing, let me know what I want.
Yeah. If him pass back and with no gang or nothing and going like him want to drive by and then sitting there.
I think him out of that, man. But if I nothing, just shout me.
Alright, because you don't know, you can't trust them man there, you know. When
Alright.
you take away your girl, you see?
Alright.
Alright, look come.
Yeah, man.
Bless.
Brother! The thing over there. Watch ya. Me never see you, know. What's the other chief? What going?
I want now.
You know, say man put me out of the house, me and me pitney. And I beg him, me come say me I come beg you say if you could have put me up.
Well, I really feel say, me fi put you up after what you put me through when me come down your yard and come talk to you. See? Me come down your yard and I show the situation, but you never understand it. But until you feel it and you see it for yourself, then you want to come ask for refuge. Me tell you something, I have more problem because my phone just drop and match up to you, know.
Bro.
You understand me I say?
Bro, no do me that,
me not do you that?
Me sorry when me go on with you, no come down on me yard, bro. You just can't put me up. please, bro. Me and your brother and sister, you know. You can't help me out, please. Me, I beg you.
Only thing we can put you up is on a chair for you rise and see a different level in life. Eh?
Jesus Christ.
You understand? Raise the head and raise the barrier. Listen to me. Before you talk. Because look at you love talk. You have a baby father. See? That the man that love you. And that the man that would do anything for you. Eh? Look how man love him, Pitney. And you don't see them sitting as something of reference. See a good man from long time. You know, you know, consider the longevity of the whole thing. Because one man come with a little chain, why him borrow and all these things, your fee says a man.
Me brother, me no come here for custody, you know. Me just come here for ask if you can put me up. And what you want me and you need to sleep out the door? Oh, God.
I like how you finally take life serious now.
Father God, help.
People only take life serious when they get serious for them belly or the place where they go sleep. Yeah? Let me tell you this. I've said it before, I'm going to say again. Your baby father is always there for you, and right now I'm waiting patiently for you to actually even reach out to him. I'm not saying go just run and accept it like that, you know. But you have to make him see you're sincere. You understand me? As a young woman, man, you have to pay attention to stability. And left off of the monetary situations where you see the flingy thing. You understand me? I say?
Yeah, me understand what you say, my brother.
No, listen. You know, listen. Me can't put you. Me can't put you in. You understand? Right now, we have my problems to sort out. One, to your baby father.
All right.
Hurry up before the sun get too hot because it's a walk, you walk. And I true me not put you up. Me still love you. You're my sister. Blood. And on a clot.
Which cash? I want to talk to you, you know.
Yeah.
Come over here, son, come out the road.
What you want to talk to me about?
Just come over here, son. Now.
Yo, you see after walking today, I should even turn up your so I chat to you. Yo, so yo, what you want from me, you know? What you want? Where you pre right
Calm
now?
down now.
I don't want to hear nothing from you two big woman thing, but me where so where you dealing now? After walking today, you...
Me sorry.
Okay.
Me sorry about everything what happened today and what happened, all of what happened. But, you know, say, try to forgive me, please.
Forgive you? That you really call me over here so about forgive you?
You know, say, me sorry about everything what happened. And me I tell you, say, you don't know why me must do this. And you're a good man to me. And me really sorry. Me not tell no lie. Me
You
just...
see all your man, boss me fi boss your man head. But yo, you not even, brother,
No, me
I
don't...
can't really believe you do me that still now, yo. And I come and talk about you sorry, you know, but, all right, you know, yo. How me fi do now?
Alright.
Think about
This
it.
one me I say now. See, all of this way happen.
Mm-hmm.
It's a traumatized Brianna. And Brianna not learn nothing at school. He not have nothing in her book. Because, me say
Don't make that happen.
and all I me is not a bad mother, you know, but you see, all the things them will happen, and you make me see say me a bad mother, and everything just the bad for me.
Yo, so where Brianna there now?
She dey at school.
Yo, right now, the forgiveness something there, you know, yo, right now I have to know
And-
what I do as man, you know, because, yo, man, rate you, you know, that's why me make you get pregnant, have me pick me, you know, because I see say you're a real woman. But you make a man go in ahead and trick you.
You know something did wrong, and that's just because me did lonely, and you never da give me no attention, and me not go on like say me perfect, and you not perfect neither. So, I just that did happen. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
You never da give me no attention, and she a go work and you tell me say you go stay for 2 weeks and so before you come back. And that get in my head and let me talk that day.
So you never know say I did love you and rate you. And you're my daughter, mother. See, that's why I look out for you. But yo, everybody make mistakes still, you know, but guess what? Never miss the water till the well run dry, don't
Babe,
you know, yo.
you are going so. You know say everything will be alright now. You know what? You make me go to church, you know. Yeah.
I know, yo.
Yeah, we have to go to church and put the Almighty first because you know say nothing can come before the Almighty. You understand?
Yo, me remember to say I'm a baby mother in a youth and I'm on rate to my youth. You see me?
I'm
Everything I got good. You see me? Everything I got good. Yo, man, love you in a youth. You see
No,
alright
say you
now?
love me, but me no know. Me no know what me that do. Because you did for know what you do to you know, because you see that security work that you do, you did to tell them say you want time for yourself for
Yeah,
you.
true you talk. Me not tell a lie. I kind of blame myself for some of the things. Them. You see me, I say, cause more me there work, you know. At one time, me there work and James say, come like a man, come in for me hands, you know. Me I'll get up and, you understand me? I say, yo, I want that to go on. But you don't know, baby. Me reconcile, everything good. So you say, you pack up your things and you brain and come
Yeah,
up. So.
man, you pack up my things in my
So you say, if you get sitting, we get a van, come in, move here, what? I'm for do.
Yeah, I'll take a taxi and come down there, man.
Yo, and make a boy gain a page and you go down there, you change your
Him
mind.
can't page me because him can't control your son.
When there,
He
him not
can't
down there
control
though,
me
him
head
not down there.
again. No, not down there.
Oh, yo, man, rate you, yo. Oh, put on the way.
Yeah.
Alright, no see.
Can't control me head again. My
Oh,
idiot, me I
see
come
you.
back to you. I'm a baby father. Yeah.
Conquer me again in you, man, rate you. Yo, go and go do your thing, man.
Alright,
Rate
later.
up, sir. Yo, I'm a woman in you. That's why, man, yo, man, I make my boy come this me. I make my woman run there from me. Look how she, yo. Come woman sexy. I'm boy for good to you, man.
Alright, so it simply means that if you're hearing the sound of my voice, you have watched the video to the end. I want to say thank you very much for those persons who take the time out of their busy schedule to sit down and watch a video to the video to the entirety. Because you don't know, in this day and age, we know a lot of persons don't have the time and the patience to sit down and watch one video so long. Because you know the attention span of most adults are now very short. I want to say thank you. We are going to put in a lot of work in what we are doing, which is creating this content. I want to say thank you for the persons who actually lend the supporting hand where for help to push that thing to the level. We know a lot of time money is not everything, but money is very important to help drive what we're doing. There is a lot of things that have been happening in this year, and we think we need to touch on them. And the first one is one of us a big up to Dr. Jack, which is we would call him the one of our sponsors. If you know want detox, if you know eat up all this junk and you feel like you don't want detox to nobody, link him up and make the link. Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. You can find him on Instagram, and you can also, the number will be placed on the screen. You can call him. If as a man, and you know sometimes you not last too long, or you feel like you want to perform with some extra stamina as it pertains to the bedroom, you have the right pill them, and the pill them what you don't call it not have no side effects because they're all natural. So big up on yourself, big up Dr. Jack. Alright, so let's touch on some other serious topics. For those persons who have been watching the videos and have been following us, you would have known that one of our main actress, 1010, is presently sick. She did one surgery and she have one more leave. And for those persons who have not gotten any updates, we are gonna do an official video with her and show you the cut and let her give her a full story. Because the thing is, she is about to do one more surgery, which is going to cost over 1 million Jamaican dollars. And for any Jamaican to get up one day and just take up $1 million with ease, so it is virtually impossible. So what we are trying to do on our end is we are trying to see how much we can get you, the subscribers, involved and ask you guys for help if you want to contribute to what she's doing. You can link me up on Instagram. I can give you a direct contact to her, you WhatsApp her, or you you call her and tell her you can help. She will tell you how you can send the money to make up to reach to the $1 million. It is sad that in a day and age like this, $1 million so hard to find, but you don't know, we know say it hard. So we're not gonna be fool ourselves. And me myself as a content creator, me not have it, me not rich. Me still a try. Me still a try to make this thing become a full reality. So please link me up so me can reach out to her and you guys can talk to her and contribute. As I said, I'm gonna make an official video with her speaking, giving her account so you guys can know exactly what's going on. Also, before we go, one of my actresses also asked me if I get some help for her because she wants to build one little house. And you don't know how it go already, Ashley Brown. Me gonna make she tell you exactly what I go on. Because sometimes when the story come from me and then come from her, then to me, then to you, it is a whole part of get missed out. So me gonna make she tell you exactly what I go on. So and there's also me did the last video I did, I bring on a little 14-year-old where now go school and him need some help. So I implore you, the viewers, to reach out to me and tell me how you guys can help.
Hello guys, my name is Ashley Brown and I'm looking some help to get a place for myself. So you know if you can donate some money or so and build a one room. Okay? So that's that me that ask about nice place for myself. So if anyone out there can help me, and just let Richard Brown know and everything. He will make me know.
Oh, let me add to that what she just said. As Jamaicans, a lot of times we are afraid, sometimes we shame, all sort of reasons to really express yourself and ask for help. But as me as a content creator, I'm not afraid. And I don't know, some I always say, my platform, I never want to get into some I look help for people. But I realize say maybe me really have to because a lot of Jamaicans need help. So she's a mother of two and she wants to build one little one-room board house with a little bathroom if you call her own. That means, from me personally, that's a dream for a lot of people in Jamaica. So she wants to do that. So if you can help, you don't have to be money, It can simple mean say if you don't want to give her the money directly, you can call one hardware and order 100 feet of board or one window or one door so she can build one place. And for me, if me can get that done from our platform here, I feel like that would be like a dream come true. So I reach out and we just see if we can make some links and make some things happen. And especially the people in the diaspora. This video specifically is reaching out to you. So big up on yourself and just do the right things, alright? Big up. Yeah man, so when you don't know, this is how we do it. 2 camera up on tripod. You know at one time gone, you always I notice we always use one camera and I shoot from one angle and then I go to the next angle. Well, we kind of improve the thing a little bit because that's how we are at Richard Brown Films. We always try to take the thing to another notch. So that's what we are doing right now. So we are shooting with 2 cameras and we are shooting them on tripod. So we kind of try to see if we can make the thing get a little more professional and I just step it up. You see me? So yeah, we are going to step it up. Bushkash, come to one of my mic. Ashley. Come to Ashley, you look so tired.
Ashley, you still from morning? Yes. Ashley, talk to people and tell them what I'm introduce
Hi
yourself.
guys, my
Huh?
name is Ashley Brown and I'm an actress in Richard Brown Film.
What's your name?
Yeah. And you know what? That's why I need some help, If you can help me out to build one nice one room, yeah, we can appreciate it. Okay?
Alright. Ashley, to the world.
So tell Ashley so we'll get some help here,
Yeah man, I'll get some prayer soon.
Yeah.
I say you go Ashley, you have to stick around. And when you stick around with Mr. Brown, you're good in this town. What your name, Ashley, what?
Brown.
So what you work for? Alright. Bushkash at them.
Gosh. You
Yeah,
hear me
man.
I say, man? You don't know, big up. Give thanks to every strength so we get every morning, noon and night. I see me I say big up Public Report.
Oh, you mean Mr.
Richard Brown Films, you don't know they God. Ashley Brown, who they are running if I put in the work. You don't know where they are members, so I'm still single, yeah. Nobody
Ready
can
for
find
me.
a finger and say Bushkash.
Yeah,
them own.
yeah.
But thank you for watching movie them and go and watch the movie them, subscribe and share. You see me I say, bless you, thank you, bless you.
Alright, right there side there.
I'm taking it for granted. Someone express yourself, you know what I'm saying?
you know? Action.
Hold on, sorry.
Oh, you know, start to say it.
Action.
Yo,
Forgive me, please. You know what, me sorry about everything that happened. And me tell her say, you know why I must do this. And you're a good man to me. And me really sorry. Me not tell no lie. It's just,
yeah, man. Boss, me see boss your man head. But yo, she not even, brother,
No, me
I
no-
can't really believe you do me that thing, you know, and I come at her about you're sorry, you know, but, yo, how you feel it?
Alright.
Think about it.
this is me I say no. Me run now and me want to come back home.
No, me know why you tell him say you run out and you want to come back home. Because you look like so because you don't have no other choice, why you want to come back home.
Alright.
So more you said, you tell him say I'm a good man.
Yeah.
And where you said him say I'm a good man, I want him.
I'm a good man and he forgive me. Me sorry about what happened.
Right, so here we are going to tell him, since you tell him say I'm a good man.
Ready? Run thing.
All of this will happen. It's a traumatized Brianna. And Brianna not learn nothing at school, not have nothing in her book. Because me say
You
like,
make that happen.
and all I me is not a bad mother, you know, but you see, all I things them will happen. And you make me feel say me a bad mother and everything just they bad for me.
Yo, so where Brianna there now?
She be a school.
Yo, right now.
And you see it yourself. Then you want to come ask for refuge. Me tell you something, I have more problem because my phone just drop a match up to you know. You understand me I say?
Bro, no do me that.
When you do
man.
that?
Me sorry for when me go out with you and come down on me yard, bro. You just can't put me up. Please, bro, me and your brother and sister, you know. You can't help me out, please. Me I beg you.
Only thing we want to put you up is for a cheer for your rise and see a different level in life. Eh? You understand? Raise the head and raise the barrier. Listen to me. Before you talk. Because look at you love talk. You have a baby father. See? That the man that love you. And that the man that would do anything for you. Eh? Look at man loving Pitney. And you don't see them sitting as something of reference. See a good man from long time. You know, you not consider the longevity of the whole thing. Because one man come in a little chain, why him borrow and all these things, he says a man. And see you now, I look for me now about put you up.
Hold this.